so we were so happy 2 days ago. Look at how beautiful this is. Michael did such a great job on the staircase, and I told him he had to have it in by the date that they were putting the carpet in, and he did. It was great. And they put like 20 something nails right into the radiant heat PEX flooring. And I will show you what happens when you do that. Come downstairs with me. Michael cut my hair, by the way. He did a good job, didn't he? My husband's cutting my hair today. Michael, he can do everything.
Yep. Plumbing, electrical, hairstyling, woodworking, running heavy machinery.
It's not too windy out here, is it?
That's fine. I think it looks wonderful.
Yeah. YouTube is great for all things. See if I can get the light on. Okay. So yesterday, my neighbor came over to meet me, and I was showing her our beautiful kitchen and how we've been living for a year. She was pretty amazed. And I found this was all water leaking. I don't know if you can see the wet spots. Michael came home from work because I called him frantically because I was having flashbacks of the last time that water started spewing out from the basement, and he came home and put a fan on, so now it's kind of dry. But I was sitting in the chair on this side and wondering, our new massage chair, by the way, I got this for Michael because his back was hurting from all the work he's been doing, so I thought this'll help him to keep going. And it's been great, hasn't it, honey?
I sat in it for an hour and a half this morning. It was wonderful.
Oh, and so I was sitting in there waiting for my neighbor to get here, and I thought, why is the wall dirty? How did that happen? That's the wall that he just recently finished, and now it's got water damage. So we're not so happy now, but hopefully it'll all get fixed because all of our furniture is coming here after being in storage for a year in like 2 weeks. So pray for us. Thanks for watching.